Hi everyone. Do you remember the Swiss Sola pocket watch with the low amplitude issue? If you missed the diagnostic video, you can click the link above or find it in the description below. In today's video, I'll be performing a full disassembly of the movement. And if you look closely, you'll notice it features a rare Snail Cam Regulator. Stay tuned until the end to see how to properly tear down this unusual regulator. Let's get started. Time to let down the power. I'll carefully release the mainspring to prevent any damage to the geared train before disassembling the movement. Time to remove the hands. I'm using a plastic film to protect the dial from any scratches, a simple but essential step. Using the proper hand remover tool, they come off easily, and we are one step closer to the movement disassembly. I'm removing the balance bridge. This is the most delicate stage, as it houses the regulation system and the hairspring responsible for the low amplitude. Now, I go remove the pallet fork. With the ratchet and winding wheels out, I'll unscrew the barrel bridge to get access to the mainspring barrel. As you can see, there is a lot of dried up oil on several parts. This old lubricant has turned gummy. After removing the can and pinion, I'm lifting the bridges to access the wheel train. Now we have a clear view of the entire movement for the cleaning stage. I'm now removing the cap jewel. If this stone isn't removed and cleaned, the dried oil will keep dragging the pivot down, ruining any chance of restoring the balance amplitude. I'm dismantling the keyless works. I need to be extremely cautious to prevent any springs from flying away. We have now reached the disassembly of the balance and the rare Snail Cam Regulator. This is the heart of the regulation system. I'll proceed with caution to ensure this unusual mechanism is preserved and cleaned to perfection. Thank you for watching the first part of this beautiful Swiss Sola pocket watch restoration. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the second and final part, where we'll see the amplitude restored to its full potential for perfect timekeeping. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like. See you soon.